we're looking at the properties, if not characteristics, of an image. So what is that we have to discuss if someone asks what is the characteristics of the image formed? So if someone asks you, okay, you have an image, you're looking at an image, what all can you tell? What are the properties do you think it has? So if someone asks you to list the properties of an image, you guys have to talk in terms of the size of the image, the orientation, then location. You can talk about location. And the fourth one, it's a bit new to you guys, if it's virtual, if not real. So now let me explain all of this in detail. So first thing is the size. So if someone talks about the size of the image, it's always with respect to the object. We have seen this, right? I have mentioned it already once. So it's always with respect to the object. So one of the possibilities is it can be smaller. It can be bigger than the object. Okay, in terms of length, I mean, or it can be highly diminished, very small, very tiny. Or one more possibility is same size. So all these are your four possibilities. If it can be smaller, bigger, this is known as highly diminished. Highly diminished. Or it can be of same size. If not, yes, smaller. If not, bigger. These are your four possibilities. Okay. Now, next thing is the orientation. When we talk about orientation, it either can be up straight or ulta, upside down. So this is called as erect and this is called as inverted. This is an example of an inverted image. This is an erect image. When we talk of location, it generally is spoken in terms of mirror, like this meter away from the mirror, that meter away from the mirror, or the language will be like same side of that of the object, opposite side, not opposite side, but yeah, basically same side of that of the object, behind the mirror, behind the lens. These are the language that we'll be using. So you guys have to get familiar with all of this. So I think I'll list few of it, not all. Same side as that of object, behind the mirror. Okay, so these are the some of the languages that we'll be using. All of this has to be known. And the last one, virtual if not real. So I'll explain it once you guys have a look at the videos. So first is your virtual video. Have a look at it. And next is your real image video. So what is the difference that you guys noticed? What is the difference between a virtual and a real image? So one basic thing is that the virtual images are seen inside the mirror. Okay. While the real images are seen on a screen. So something that can be captured on a screen or put on a screen is your real image. something that is seen inside a mirror. Okay, basically, which is not on a screen. So this is not on a screen. Okay, this is a virtual image. So in time, you'll be understanding virtual and real in detail, but this is the basic difference. This can be on a screen. This has to be on a screen, and this is not on a screen. So this was a wide screen, and this is the image. Okay. So these are the very detailed difference between real and virtual image. So this you might not understand everything at one go, but in time you will understand. So real image can be projected onto a screen. Okay. So it can be, while this cannot be. Real images are those where light actually converges. This you will be understanding in time. Okay. So here converges. It have converged. So it will actually converge. This appears to be converged. Okay, so you can see virtual images are located location from where the light appears to have converged. I'm not very happy with the language. Images are located or appear to be located actually. Okay, so don't worry, you'll be understanding this particular point clearly, and the language is not very clear. Real images appear inverted. This is one more thing that you guys can be sure of. Real images always look upside down. Whatever the object is, upside down is your real images. So you can observe over here. So this is the rooftop. Okay, a metallic sheet. So this is the ground actually. This is the floor. We can see it is ulta, is it not? And this is the roof. I mean, actually that's a sheet, but anyways. So you can see this is upside down. While this is Sida. The eye is open, the mouth is niche. So this is Sida. That's what I've done actually. That's how I put it across. So this is erect. Virtual images are erect. In mirror, real images is formed in front of the mirror. In mirror, virtual images lie behind the mirror. Again, all of this you will understand. In lens, real image is formed on the opposite side of that of the object. In lens, virtual images lie on the same side of that of the object. Okay. So this is about location. These two are about location. This is about orientation. This is about the rays. And this is about screen. If it can be captured on screen, if not, it cannot be captured on a screen. Right? So this languages, I'm not very happy with it. Virtual images are have location. I think that will be better. Have locations from where the light appears to have converged. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so let me clear this up so that you guys can, again, you guys need to highlight the keywords. Let me highlight it for you guys. Onto a screen, cannot. Here is can. Inverted. Correct. This entire point you guys have to kind of read through. The language is a bit difficult now. This is in mirror. Real images is formed in front of the mirror, behind the mirror. Opposite side, same side of the object. Okay. So these are your keywords. So you guys have to copy from here, all of it. Don't miss anything. Everything is of use. This is like pretty much part of your 50% of the syllabus. Actually, not 50. It's pretty much the entire syllabus.